Welcome back to joiner safety rules and maintenance. This is my partner Caden, and we will be going through the 18 rules of the joiner safety. Rule number 1, the joiner safety margin is 4 inches. So that means you need a piece of board that's at least 4 inches. Hold the material firmly against the table or against the fence, which that's the fence. Then change the position. Come here. I gotta show you this. Change the position of hands so that they do not pass directly over the cutters when feeding. Over here, behind me. So that means when you're going over the blade, you will move your hands around so they can go over. So, number 4. Never lean material against the joiner or pile material on the bed like this was earlier. And yeah, so we had to move it to make that rule better. And then number 5 is when you got a short piece of material. That didn't work. when you got a short or thin piece of material, you need to use a push stick to push across so you don't cut your fingers off. And rule number 6, never joint material less than ½ inch thick, 1 inch wide, or less than 10 inches long. So you probably couldn't do that.
Where we at?
7.
Never cut deeper than 1/8 of an inch without first getting special permission from the instructor. Don't yell. Now. 8. Adjust the depth of cut before power's turned on, so you don't hurt yourself. End grain should not be run over the joiner without special permission, because, never change the adjustment out of the feed table. Keep the guard closed over the knives at all times while the joiner is being operated. Do not pull the guard open with your fingers like this. Don't do that.
Or what happens?
Fingers gone. Turn the power off and allow the machine to come to a dead stop before leaving. Because that's just common sense. Do not attempt to run odd-shaped pieces over the joiner, like this, for example. Don't try to do that. It's not going to work. Well, it might, but you might die. Do not stand directly behind the joiner when using the machine. Don't stand like this. Stay to the side so you can keep the vertical pushed up against the fence. Cover the cutter head with the back guard of the fence and move it across the bed. Knives should not be exposed more than necessary to do the job. See, those knives right there. Just let it go through.
The maximum depth of the cut is 1/16 of an inch. The maximum depth of jointing an edge is 1/8.
Alright, so basically we got the basic things of this machine, which you got your on and your off switch. You got your shield, which covers your blades, which is what these are, is your blades. You got the back here, which you'll have to loosen this up from front and back, and then you can turn it and it'll push the fence over. So that's when your blades get dull and you need to use the sharp end. Then you got a lever down, well, not a lever, but a little thing down here, which you'll turn that and that'll change your depth of cut. And yeah, that's about it on this machine. You got blades, you got cords, you got a start button and an off button. That's all you need to know.